Good evening. Welcome to Bella Bistro. How can I help you today?
Hi, I ordered the tomato soup about 10 minutes ago.
Yes, sir. I remember. Let me check. Here it is. Please enjoy your soup.
Thank you. He tastes the soup. Excuse me.
Yes, sir. Is everything okay?
I'm not sure how to say this politely, but my soup is cold.
Cold? I'm really sorry to hear that. It should be served hot. May I check it?
Sure. Waiter touches the bowl.
Oh, you're right. It is cold. I'm very sorry for that.
It's okay, but I was really hoping for a warm soup.
I understand, sir. I'll take this back and bring you a fresh, hot bowl right away.
That would be great, thank you.
While you wait, would you like something to drink?
Yes, a glass of water, please.
Of course. I'll be right back. Here is your water. Your soup will be ready in a moment.
Thank you for handling this so quickly.
You're welcome, sir. Here is your new soup. It is fresh and hot. Please be careful.
Taste soup. Perfect. This is exactly what I wanted.
I'm glad you like it. Again, I'm sorry about the earlier mistake.
No problem. You handled it very well.
Thank you. We've also added a small discount to your bill.
That's very kind of you. I'll come back again.
We'd love to see you again. Enjoy your meal.
Excuse me, I think my room was forgotten today.
Oh, I'm very sorry. How can I help you?
My room 312 has not been cleaned yet. I just came back from sightseeing and I want to rest.
I am very sorry for this problem. I saw you put the "Please Clean" sign this morning, right?
Yes, that is correct.
Let me check with housekeeping quickly.
Thank you. I am very grateful.
It looks like there was a small mistake. They thought you did not want cleaning today.
Oh, I understand. But I need fresh towels and the trash taken out.
Of course. Do you also want us to change the bed sheets?
Yes, that would be very good.
Someone can come in about 10 minutes.
Perfect. I will go out so the room can be cleaned.
You can relax in the lobby or go to the bar.
I will go to the bar, thank you.
To say sorry for the problem, we want to give you a free drink.
That is very kind of you. I will have a coffee, please.
Coffee, okay. The bar is on the ground floor next to the pool.
Yes, I remember.
We will call you as soon as your room is ready.
Thank you. I really appreciate your help.
Enjoy your coffee. We will take very good care of your room.
Good evening. Welcome to Pine Lake Hotel. How can I help you today?
Good evening. I have a reservation. It is under the name Mark Lewis.
Let me check. Lewis. I cannot see your name in our system.
Really? I booked it online 2 weeks ago and I already paid. Are you sure this is the right hotel?
Yes, sir. This is Pine Lake Hotel. Can I see your booking confirmation, please?
Of course. Here it is on my phone. The date is today. I booked a double room for 2 nights.
I can see the dates, but I cannot find a reservation number.
It is at the bottom of the email. Scroll down. Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Let me search with that number. It is still not in our system. It seems the booking website made a mistake.
Oh no, what can we do now? I traveled a long way. I really need a room tonight.
I understand. Do not worry. Let me check if we have a room for you. Good news. We have a double room. The price is the same as in your email.
That is a relief. Does the room have a view of the lake?
Yes, it's a lovely lake view double room on the 2nd floor.
Perfect. And the price is still $85, right?
Yes, $85 per night, just like your confirmation. And to help with the problem, we will give you free breakfast for 2 days.
Thank you very much. That is very kind. I really appreciate it.
You are welcome. Here is your key card for room 204. It's on the 2nd floor at the end of the hall on the left.
Great, thank you. If I need something during my stay, what should I do?
Just call 0 from your room phone. Our staff will help you anytime.
Perfect. Thank you for solving this problem so well.
My pleasure, sir. Enjoy your stay at Pine Lake Hotel.
I will. Have a good evening.
You too, sir.
Good morning. Welcome to the cafe.
Good morning.
Would you like a table today?
Yes, please. A table for one.
Of course. Oh, I see you have a dog with you.
Yes, this is my dog Max. He is very calm and friendly.
He is very cute. I'm sorry, but dogs are not allowed inside the cafe.
Oh, I see. Not even small dogs?
No, I'm afraid not. It is our rule. Some guests have allergies. Others feel afraid of dogs.
I understand. Is there a place outside where I can sit?
Yes, we have a small seating area outside.
That sounds good. Can I sit there with Max?
Yes, of course. Outside seating is fine. I will bring the menu to your table.
Thank you very much.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, please.
We have coffee with regular milk. We also have oat milk and almond milk.
That's great. I would like a latte with oat milk.
No problem. Would your dog like some water?
Yes, please. That is very kind of you.
All right. 1 oat milk latte and a bowl of water for Max.
Thank you.
Here is your coffee. And here is some water for Max.
Thank you. Look, Max, this water is for you.
He looks happy.
Yes, he likes to sit outside and watch people.
Would you like something to eat as well?
Yes, please.
What would you like?
I would like toasted bread with tomato.
White bread or whole wheat?
Whole wheat, please.
Okay. It will be ready in a few minutes.
No hurry. The weather is nice today.
Yes, it is. Thank you for understanding our rule about dogs.
That's okay. This solution works for everyone.
Enjoy your breakfast.
Thank you. Max and I will enjoy it. Have a nice day.
Hi, Josh. Sorry to bother you.
Hi, no problem. What's wrong?
Everything is okay. I just want to say something.
Sure, what is it?
Your music is a little loud tonight. I can hear it in my room.
Oh, I didn't know. I am sorry.
It's okay. Normally it is fine, but I wake up early tomorrow.
I understand. You need sleep.
Yes. Thank you for understanding.
Of course. I don't want to disturb you. I will turn it down. Is it better now?
Yes, much better. Thank you.
The walls are very thin here.
I know. I can hear people walking upstairs.
Me too. Maybe I will use headphones at night.
Good idea. You can hear music and it is quiet for everyone.
Okay, headphones it is.
Thank you, Josh.
And thank you, Hannah. Some people go to the landlord.
I like to talk. We are neighbors.
True. Good night.
Good night. Sleep well.
Hi, can you help me with my ticket?
Yes, of course. What is the problem?
I have a ticket for tomorrow, but I want to travel today.
Oh, I see. Can I see your ticket, please?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. This ticket is for tomorrow at 10 a.m. to Boston, right?
Yes, my plans changed. I need to go today.
No problem. There is a train at 6 p.m. today. Is that okay?
Yes, 6 p.m. is good.
I can change your ticket, but there is a small fee.
A fee? How much?
$15 for the same day change.
Just to change the day?
Yes, this is the standard fee.
Oh, I didn't know. Is there a cheaper option?
The 8 p.m. train is another option, but the fee is still $15. Same price, later time.
Okay, I take the 6 p.m. train.
Good. Pay by card or cash?
Card.
Tap or insert your card here.
Done.
Here is your new ticket for the 6 p.m. train today.
Thank you. Do I need the old ticket?
No, keep only this ticket.
Okay.
Your train is from platform 4. Boarding starts at 5:40 p.m. The train may come a little early.
Platform 4. I will be there early.
Very good. Your English is clear.
Really? I was worried I sounded confused.
Not at all. You asked good questions.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Have your ID ready.
Okay. ID and ticket ready.
Perfect. Have a safe trip to Boston.
Thanks, Clara. I'm happy with your help.
My pleasure. Enjoy your trip and have a nice day.
Thanks. See you next time.
Excuse me? Hi.
Hi, are you new here?
Yeah, first time. I don't really know what to do.
Don't worry, it's easy.
Easy? It looks complicated.
It's just a few steps. I can show you.
Oh, please, I'd appreciate it.
Sure. What are you washing?
Clothes, mostly shirts and pants.
Okay, how many?
Maybe a full basket?
Then you'll need a big machine. Small ones are for a few items.
Got it. Big machine. Check.
You also need to separate your clothes. Whites, darks, colors.
Oh, right. I don't want pink socks.
That's a rookie mistake.
Good to know.
And check the labels. Some clothes need cold water.
So many rules.
Yeah, but you'll get it. First time is always tricky.
How do I start the machine?
First, put the clothes in, add detergent, then press start.
Detergent? Got it. Coins or card?
Either works. This machine takes cards.
Oh, perfect.
Want me to show you?
Yes, please. That wasn't so hard.
See? Told you.
I feel better already.
Good. Now you try.
Okay. Here goes. Hey, it worked.
Perfect. You did it.
Thanks, Maya. I was nervous.
Everyone is the first time.
True. This isn't so scary after all.
And if you need company while it spins, I can hang out.
That would be nice. Hi. Good morning. Can I order a sandwich?
Good morning. Sure. Do you know which one?
Not yet. What do you recommend?
Our turkey and cheese is very popular. The club sandwich is also a favorite. We have a vegetarian option with avocado and roasted veggies too.
Turkey and cheese sounds good. What bread do you use?
You can choose white, whole wheat, or multigrain. We can toast it too.
I'll take multigrain. Toast it lightly, please.
Got it. Any extra toppings? We have lettuce, tomato, onions, pickles, and special sauces.
Yes, add lettuce, tomato, and a little mustard.
Perfect. Would you like any sides? We have chips, a small salad, or soup today.
I'll have a small salad and a cappuccino to drink.
Sure. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thanks.
All right. That's a toasted turkey and cheese on multigrain with lettuce, tomato, and mustard, one small salad, and a cappuccino.
Sounds perfect. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Your order will be ready in about 10 minutes.
Great. I can't wait.
Enjoy your meal.
Excuse me, young lady. Could you help me, please?
Of course, sir. What do you need?
I'm trying to find the public library. I just moved to this neighborhood, and I have no idea where it is.
Oh, the public library. That's easy. You're actually very close.
Really? That's great to hear. I've been walking for about 10 minutes, but I haven't seen it yet.
No worries. Are you walking or driving?
I'm on foot. I thought I could enjoy the walk.
That's nice. Okay, so if you keep going straight down this street for 2 blocks, you'll reach a small intersection with the coffee shop on the corner.
Coffee shop. Got it.
From there, take a right turn and walk another block. You'll see the library on your left. It's a red brick building with big windows.
A red brick building. Big windows. Okay. Sounds easy enough.
And if you see a small park, you've gone too far.
That's helpful. Thank you.
You're welcome. Do you need the opening hours as well?
Yes, please. I think it's important to know.
The library opens at 9 a.m. and closes at 6 p.m. on weekdays. On weekends, it opens at 10 a.m. and closes at 4 p.m.
Perfect. Thank you so much for your help, young lady. You made my day a lot easier.
No problem at all. Enjoy your visit to the library.
I surely will. Have a great day.
You too, sir.
Excuse me, I think there's a mistake with my change.
Oh, really? What did you buy?
I bought a juice and a sandwich. I paid 500 rupees, but you gave me 350 back.
Juice is 120. Sandwich is 180. That's 300 total. You paid 500, yes?
Yes, so I should get 200 back, but you gave me only 150.
Oh, I see. I must have counted wrong. I'm sorry.
That's okay, mistakes happen. Can I get the 50 rupees I'm missing?
Of course. Here you go. Sorry again.
Thanks, I appreciate it.
I'll be more careful next time.
It's fine, I just wanted to make sure.
Good you pointed it out. I should check better.
No problem, happens to everyone.
Do you want a receipt for this?
No, that's fine, I already have it.
Okay, thanks for being patient.
You're welcome.
Have a nice day.
You too.
And sorry again for the trouble.
Don't worry, it's sorted now.
I'll remember to count carefully next time.
That's good, mistakes are normal.
True. Thank you for understanding.
Anytime. See ya.
See ya.